What is that you're holding right there in your paw? Cotton candy? You can't be serious. It's cotton candy and I'm serious. We gotta make more of this stuff. It's so good! Did you guys just see what he did? Are you okay over there, sir? I'm fine. Well, let's just get on with this video. You're right. Hello, everybody. Today is a DIY cotton candy maker thing. Let's just get the supplies. It's not called supplies. It's called supplies. Oopsie.
First thing you need in order to make this is... Oh dear. Don't cut me! Are you mad? You saw nothing. You saw nothing. Next, you... Die! Come on, bring it in. Not like that. You could crush this. Anyway. Good. A cotton ball. And... toothpicks. Any colored marker. Let's get on with this video. So first thing you want to do is color the cotton ball. Then after you finish coloring it, there it is. You want to kind of smush it in with cotton. If it doesn't work, just continue coloring on your cotton ball until it looks just like the one we showed you in the first scene. Right. Oh, I keep bumping the camera. Anyway, let's get this done.
Now that's a sweet top of a treat. Next, you want to cut a toothpick like this. Yeah, I didn't color the whole thing, just to make it look more like that. Onward. Once you've cut the tape, you should put it on like this. Sticky side and non-sticky side. Then take the cotton ball that you just colored and you get your cotton candy. Try to make sure that you even out the color and put the more white side at the bottom. That's just what I like. Just don't let Leo find out that we made another cotton candy! Yum, 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 yum. Here goes the neighborhood. Let's try to find that red one now. Good idea. Ow. So here's the cotton candy. We found the red one. And yeah, you can use this cotton candy for just a treat for your little pet shops. Or like for a fair scene, fun fair. And yeah, you can use them for whatever you like. So I hope this video was helpful. And yeah, thanks for watching. More cotton candy. So good, I can't stop licking it.